Not everyone will understand your journey, and that's okay. Freedom is loving yourself, just like you did before the world told you not to. You can free your heart from fear and hurt. Embrace the freedom of loving yourself. It's time to remember what it's like to feel alive. 'Cause nothing beats that shit. Look, robot hair.
Yes, got the Arisa here. Yeah. Nice. Now let's do the serious walk again, but like happy serious, yeah?
Happy serious.
Okay. Happy, you're feeling yourself. That way. You're good. Looking at tiny bit, not at me, but just tiny bit over. Yeah. Okay, we are set. Today is the day we can finally do a tutorial. We have a new friend from Lithuania joining us today. We have like 20 minutes to shoot this because the sun is going down, but the light is looking super nice. So first thing that you guys are going to see, we're going to be shooting this one in 60 frames per second. The shutter needs to be 125. Perfect. So we're going to be shooting at 60 frames per second. The reason we're shooting at 60 frames per second is so we can slow it down in post. So how you doing, Renata? Fab. So let's bring this aperture down. Just so you guys know too, we're going to be using the 24 to 105 millimeter zoom lens. This is the L series, so it's super nice. It has an aperture of 4, and the image quality is dope. In there. So, oh my god, the lighting looks crazy. Lucha. So we are gonna be, this is an awesome spot for a shoot. So I want to get some low shots, we want to get some close shots, and hiding in the grass is always good. Sneaking in the grass. So not full on sun. And basically what I want to do, I want to get Renata to just spin around. So you can start now spinning around. And I want it to be, we just really want to try and get her dress. And we want to bring it in and out of focus. So quickly, it just does not last for a long time. Get like one shot.
Then it's like boom.
Down. So guys, we're gonna put this back into 25 frames. So now I think what we need is some walking shots as well. So I think maybe I will come from this end, and we can try some with me following you again and turning around. No, maybe we'll do it the other way because the light is not as strong.
Okay.
And one thing to make sure, guys, is that the shutter needs to be double. So we're at 25 frames, so we need to go down. Okay, now we can do the shot. I want to come here. I'll follow you, so we'll walk, and then I'll follow you. Okay, so let's go. Okay, oh, come back. Man, there's some like mad lens flare on here. Okay, cool.
Normal walk, fast walk?
Normal, but kind of like chill. Okay, listo. Now let me get the dress as well. Walking, so come turn around. Okay, now walking. Okay, perfect. Do that one again. Go back. So can you walk? Maybe keep your head down a little bit, just like this. Walking, thinking of something really something really cool, something really inspiring, you know?
Sit your ass down and ask yourself why.
Just sit down. No, for real, sit down. No.
No, for real.
No, it's good.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, yes, stay there. Slow down a little bit. Yeah, keep smiling, yeah? You're just thinking about something really cool that nobody else knows. You're like, yeah, yeah. You're like, yeah. I know something you don't. Man, this directing, you know?
But you are good in that, so.
Yeah.
But we had these funny videos when it was like, okay, walk in the screen, think of something, now walk away. So like when you watch it without the music and not editing, it sounds so ruthless. It's like, hurry up, get. Okay. So just like a little smile coming in the frame, little smile, stop there, think about something cool. Okay, cool, now walk off.
Now, walk away.
But maybe we need to go further there in the woods.
Okay. Back into the woods.
But I think here, yeah, like I like this area, so just turn around for a sec. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna say walk. We're gonna walk slowly, turn around, stay in that mind frame like you're thinking about something really cool that no one else knows. Then you're gonna turn around and just, I'll tell you when to laugh, yeah? Just do like a proper, like genuine, haha. Just give me all you got. Give me all you got.
I'll remember some of the yesterday's evening things. I'll laugh, don't worry.
I'm the strawberry.
Okay. Nice. And just give a really like super, like you're super happy that we're free, we're out, por fin. The time has come, we're freedom.
It's freedom. It's time to remember how to be alive again.
Yeah. This is gonna be like a good thinking spot. So do like a little smile. Awesome. And can you hold the necklace? Do something like you're thinking. Okay, class. Stay like that. Just like done. But that's a good one. Turn around the other way for a sec. No, like with your face this way. Oh no, it's better the other way. More light, turn this way. Yeah. So yes, just stay like that. Let's see if we can get like a close-up of the eye. Damn, that's so clear. Stay there. Okay, now do like a little smile. Don't try not to move. Yeah, but a little smile. Okay, bigger one. Yeah. Damn, this is gonna be a killer shot. Knock her off. Okay, but this is so nice. So look at me and just laugh.
It's so easy to do.
Yeah. Nice. Now let's do the serious walk again, but like happy serious, yeah? Okay. Happy, you're feeling yourself. That way. You're good. Looking at tiny bit, not at me, but just tiny bit over. Yeah. So let's do the other way.
I think for this is coming again.
Oh. True.
It's at this time, you know.
As well, I want like a tiny bit to like just to kind of see your face, just a little bit on the side, and looking over and like a little bit of a smile, yeah. Okay, vamos. Okay, smiling, feeling good. You're loving life. You just know so much that nobody knows. Looking at me. You're feeling it. You're free. You know this one, like you're free. Free.
Vamos a bailar.
Okay, just look up. Yeah, look up and laugh again. You're feeling free. Look how good she's feeling, guys. She's feeling so free. So, but this kind of motion, yes. So just like go. Sit. Faster. Boom. Okay, let's do that one more time. I'm gonna like follow your arms and stuff. Okay, perfect. Move them around. And high up again. Okay, awesome. Yeah, let me follow it down. Keep going, move it down, move it down. Boom. And let's do another one coming up again. Consider subscribing if you are down for some more. Ciao, peeps.
You can free your heart from fear and hurt. Embrace the freedom of loving yourself.